So the next step is your noodles are simmering. You pretend to stir them a little with a wooden spoon. The reason is that you left your spatula in the dishwasher. There it is. So you look at your spatula out of the dishwasher, looks clean. I haven't seen a cockroach on it in one day. Alright, so the next thing you do, you look this shit over, and there you got some of your noodles with your clean spatula. So the next thing you do, you take some salt off your filthy counter and you pour it on the noodles. So now you've got some salt on them and you stir it up. And you stir both ways, not just one way. And in fact, in order to get exercise, you really should stir off all the steam for about 5 minutes. Okay, now you throw that on your filthy paper plate, because I haven't seen a cockroach on that for a day. Alright, now over here, since the garbage disposal doesn't work, you go in your filthy sink. This is the advantage of stuff malfunctioning. You put your plastic plate on the dirty counter and you put the noodle thing on it to see if it melts. But while you're doing that, you juggle this stuff in your hands and you bring your spatula over to see if you can drain the noodles with your spatula. Like this. And I guess you can. So all you have to do is put them in a bowl. You look up in your cabinet up here and you see that yes, there are clean bowls up there. I haven't seen a witch there in a long time. I haven't really seen a cockroach in about a day. So you take a bowl out of there like this. You put it down there and on that filthy counter, and the spatula lets you put the noodles in the bowl. So now you've got your pasta going into a bowl. Then that got a little boring just doing that. So in order to alleviate that, you pour some of the water out of there without spilling the noodles. And if the cockroach lives down there, that's a way of getting rid of them. This is exciting, isn't it?